Today concludes the Alpha Phonics lessons. Don't forget to subscribe to watch all the lessons. Pre-reading alphabet exercises. A, B, K. A, B, K. B, B, K. B, B, K. K. A, B. K. A, B. B, K. A. B, K. A. K. B, A. K. B, A. K. A. K. A. Ak, ak, buk, buk, d, f, d, f, f, d, f, d, f, d, f, d, f, f, d, f, d. D, d, f, 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 d, f, d, g, e, g, e, g, g, e, g, g, e, e, g, e, g, e, e. G, e, g, 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 e, g, g, e, g, e, g, e, g, 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 j, k, l, j, k, l, j, j, k, j, j, k, l, l, j, l, l, j. Lk, l, lk, l, ljk, ljk, j, j, k, j, j, k, j, j, k, j, j, k, j, k, l, j, k, l, j, a, 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 st, a, st, a, s, a, s, s, a, s, t, s, a, t, s, a, t, a, t, a, t, t, s, s, t, s, 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 t, s, s, t, s, a, t, s, a, t, s, a, s, a, s, v, x, y, z, v, x, y, z, z, v, x, x, z, v, x, x, w, y, z, x, w, y, z, x, w, y, z, w, y, z, x, y, z, v, x, y, z, v, y, z, x, v, y, z, x, v, z, x, yeah, x, w, z, x, yeah, x, w, z, x, yeah, v, z, x, yeah, v. Lesson 119. Words ending in le. Able, cable, fable, table, stable, eagle, beagle, idle, rifle, trifle, stiffle, title. Babble, bubble, pebble, apple, grapple, paddle, faddle, saddle, fiddle, riddle, raffle, ruffle. Dazzle, fizzle, drizzle, wiggle, jiggle, battle, bottle, cattle, little, settle, kettle, brittle. Tattle, turtle, single, jingle, jungle, bangle, dangle, bungle, juggle, struggle, strangle, skittle. Ample, sample, simple, dimple, pimple, temple, fumble, bumble, humble, tumble, handle, candle. Silent, hustle, bustle, rustle. He ate a little apple. He threw a pebble. She had a little dimple. He sat at the table. He had a pimple on his dimple. She was nimble with a thimble. The bottle was brittle. The candle was on the table. Can a beagle chase an eagle? Can a turtle play a fiddle? Are you able to handle a paddle? The drizzle was a fizzle. There was a battle in the jungle. Lesson 120. As Phil, Philip, Ralph, graph. Phone, phony, photo. Phonics, Phoenix, face, phrase. Phantom, pharmacy, pharmacist. Philadelphia. Philosopher, philosophy. Photograph, telegraph, telephone. Graphic, emphasis, emphatic. Lesson 121. Sh as sh. Nation, station. Ration, lotion, motion, notion. Patient, patience, action, fraction, traction. Sh as sh, sh and sh. Fission, mission, admission, session. Racial, facial, special. Crucial, musician, ocean. Sh as sh, sh and sh. Fission, mission, admission, session. Racial, facial, special, crucial, musician, ocean. Sh as sh, sh and sh. Atrocious, ferocious, conscious, conscience, obnoxious. Sh as sh and sh. Sure, insure, asher, fisher. Issue, tissue. J as j and j. Fusion, confusion, illusion, intrusion. Measure, pleasure, treasure, leisure. J as j and j. Fusion, confusion, illusion, intrusion. Measure, pleasure, treasure, leisure. Ch as ch and sh. Capture, fracture, gesture, picture. Question, digestion, indigestion, suggestion. The ocean can be ferocious. Ralph is a musician and won a special prize at the fair. Jeff went to the train station to pick up Kate. Did you see Gail's picture on the table? Betty has a crucial question for the teacher. Thank you for being so patient, said Dad. Mom bought a box of facial tissues. She phoned the pharmacy for special lotion. Didn't you think that motion picture was obnoxious? It sure was a pleasure to see Grandma and Grandpa this weekend. Grandma brought Grandma bought an album of photographs from Phonics, which we will treasure. Dad will measure the wood to a fraction of an inch. The doctor's suggestion cleared Philip's confusion about his indigestion. Lesson 122. As n. Knee, kneeled, kneeling, knelt. Knit, knitting, knitted, knife, night. Knack, knock, knob, knot, knuckle, knickers. Know, known, knowing, knowledge. New. Knowledge. Know, known, knowing, knowledge. New. Lesson 123. As lamb, jam, dumb, numb, crumb, thumb. Bomb, bombed, bombing, climb, climbed, climbing. Comb, combed, combing. Plumber, plumbing. Tum. T as t. Tum. T as t. Det, doubt. Lesson 124. Silent. Hour, honor, honest. Air. Ghost, ghastly, ghetto. Gal, rhyme, rhymed, rhyming. Lesson 125. As Write, writer, writing, written, wrote, wrist. Rap, rack, wrath, wreck. Wrath, wrote. Wrench, wretch. Wretched, wriggle, wriggled, wriggling. Wrangle, wrinkle, ring, rung. Wrong, rung, rye. Lesson 126. As castle, nistle, hasten, moisten, fasten. Listen, listener, listening. Whistle, whistler. Wrestle, wrestled, wrestler, wrestling. As often, soften, softener, softening. Lesson 127. As character, choir, Christmas, chemist, chemistry. Course, choral, chord. Chlorine, chronic, chronicle. Scheme, schedule, school, scholar, scholastic. As psychic, psyche. Lesson 128. As sure eye, cyst, Jim, him, Lynn, myth, gymnast, mystic, system, symbol, symptom, rhythm, syrup. Lyric, syntax. Phyllis, serial, cryptic. Serial, cryptic, physics. Gymnasium, mystery. Syllable, sympathy, synonym. Hysteric, hypnosis. Cylinder, typical. Tyranny, synthetic. Mystical, physical. Physician. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Peace.